Hi everyone, I'm Pui Teng from DMC. If you are spending too much time on watching YouTube, it might hurt your eyes and your focus. Actually, there's one way for you to reduce your eye strain and enhance your viewing experience. That is called dark mode. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on YouTube dark mode. How to actually turn on YouTube dark mode? First step, mouse over to your profile icon on the right top corner here. And you will see there is an option called dark theme. You just click on this tab to turn on. And you see this option for you to turn on a dark mode. Okay, just turn on. Okay, you will see the changes immediately. Dark mode is on YouTube. Okay, that is very simple. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to help us like and share. If you have yet to subscribe, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new videos. See you in the next video.